Now, you might be wondering how to exactly replace a battery here for a 2022 Buick Envision. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So, first things first is you want to park safely and pop the hood. Now, park on level ground, turn the engine off, set the parking brake, and open the hood. Now, you want everything powered down before touching the battery. Now, from then on, you want to go and just locate the battery and note the terminal. So the battery sits in the engine bay. Now, before loosening anything here, take a quick look at which side is negative and positive here, so you connect correctly. So you can reconnect correctly later on. So usually they would have their symbols on it. So just take note which one is positive and negative. Now, from there on, using a wrench, loosen the negative terminal and move it aside so it can't spring back. Always negative first. Now, this prevents accidental sparks. Now, you want to go and just remove the positive terminal next, then loosen the battery hold down clamp at the base and lift it out. Now, you want to carefully lift the old battery out. If it's heavy, drop the new battery in the same orientation and reinstall and the hold down so it doesn't move. Now, from then on, just reconnect the positive cable first, then negative cable. Now, make sure both are snug so you don't get starting or warning lights issues. Now, from then on, just start the Envision and check for warning lights. So you may need to reset the clock here, Windows or auto start stop system. So that's normal after a battery swap. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.